Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock people on Roblox. So this can be done whether you're on your PC or your laptop, on your phone, you're able to block people. So the steps are pretty much the same. So as you can see right here, guys, I'm on my computer. And once you open up Roblox sign in, you will see that you will have your connections here. And if you want to unblock someone, then you will first need to have them blocked. So you would be able to find the connections here or click on view all connections and you will see all of them, right? And what's going to happen is that you can go ahead and you can open up a profile and you would see if you have that person blocked here or not. What's going to happen is that if the person is blocked, you will see it shows that the connections is grayed out, right? But this person is not blocked and you will see that. So if I block this person right here, you will see that this shows add connection is there, is grayed out, and you can just simply go ahead and click the unblock from here. Click on unblock. Now, what if it's someone that you blocked and you don't know them? You can go ahead and search for their name here or search for their username. So let's say I want to unblock this person, Lala Paul. I can go ahead and then search for that username and click where it says in people, and you will be able to find that user. So here you can open up the user account here, and again you see that the add connections is grayed out, and you can click it and just simply click on unblock and unblock again. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you go ahead and unblock people on Roblox.